Hi, I'm Emily. It's fast and it's easy to create a new video in Pinch. Select the camera and record your video. Hi everybody, look where I've just been.
The recording Emily just did is automatically placed in the timeline. Highlight the clip and trim the ends. Adjust the level on the fader.
Hi everybody, look where I've just been.
You can add more recordings or videos from your video library. Select the video in your browser and drag them to the timeline.
Hi everybody, look where I've just been.
There's also a lot of filters and effects in the effect browser. Select category and drag the filters you want to use to the player window. Adjust on the screen. In the media library you will also find some free Pinch music. Pre-listen and drag to the audio timeline.
Look where I've just been.
Finally, you share your video on the Paperplane logo. It's free with the Pinch watermark. Press share now and the video will render. After rendering, you choose the final destination in the Apple Share menu.
Pinch, it's that easy.